All right, so we'll start. So, first of all, very good evening, everyone, again, and welcome to this session. So, I want everyone to be attentive over in this session, as here right now I'll be explaining out uh, the whole evaluation process and how this Git and GitHub will be impacting your scores as well as everything while your projects or anything is getting evaluated. Okay. So for that, the first thing, this Git and GitHub ecosystem you need to use from your week one whenever you are starting with your project. Okay. If you are starting with your project, you need to ensure that the first part that you are doing is configuring your Git and GitHub on your system. And after that, you are just creating a repo, and accordingly you are starting with your project. Okay. And from every week one, week two, week three, week four, whatever you are doing every day, or means whenever you are working over in this week, or you're ending up and going to bed or something like that, before that you need to push it out, push the code with a proper comment over there, like what exactly you have pushed. Okay, so this thing you need to adhere with that. Okay, so that is expected for everyone. Okay, if you are not doing this, then ultimately when you are submitting your project, so you will be submitting out the public GitHub link to our teams. Okay, they will be going through your GitHub repository, and they will be capturing all the commits that you have done, and accordingly they will be analyzing what's the impact and what's the actual contribution of you and your team members. Okay, and there should be one repository where your team members will be contributing. Okay, only one repository, and there you need to activate the collaboration. And when you are activating the collaboration, your things will be your team members will be joining out on it. Okay, you need to just give their username over there. It will automatically give the request to join over onto that repository. So accordingly, you can collaborate over by the GitHub ecosystem, and Git you need to install on your system. Okay, team, is it perfect?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
So now
Yes,
I'll
sir.
just so it is properly means you all have properly got the point. Like without the GitHub, your project will not be getting evaluated. Okay, there is the clause. That's why this is important, because without any contribution checking, we can't give the credits to any one of the team member accordingly. Okay, on the voice or on the thing that you are speaking. Okay, so for that you need to have a proper commit history for the whole project for each and every person. If they are doing this, then only your project will be evaluated and you will be getting benefited. Okay. Secondly, when you are creating your GitHub, okay, so now I'll give you some time like to install the Git in your system. And if you haven't created your GitHub account, you can create it right now. Okay. And when you are configuring the Git in your means when you have downloaded the Git, and after that when you are installing, while installing you need to check all the check boxes that are present over there. Means first onboarding screen, the next, then you will find means a list of check boxes that you need to check. So you need to check all the check boxes and just install it on your system. Got it? That's the process. And for the GitHub, it is very simple. You need to create an account over onto your GitHub. That's all. For the Mac users, you need to use the homebrew for installing the Git on your system, and rest the process is same. You need to just create a GitHub account and just log in into your system. That's all. Okay. Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right.
Hello, sir.
So
Good evening.
yes, please go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Sir, if you have already a GitHub account, then we have to create a new GitHub
Yeah, no
account.
issue. No issue. That you can use.
Okay,
If
sir.
you have your GitHub account, then no issue. If you don't have, just create it once and install the Git in your laptop or computer or the system that you are using. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, can you share your screen and how to install and create a Git and GitHub step
How
by
to
step? Can
install?
you explain this? Yes,
You can share your screen. I'll just guide you throughout that. Okay.
sir. Currently, I am taking a meeting in my mobile phone. I'm not taking in laptop.
So if you're
Can
not
you share
serious on
your?
the meeting only, if you're not serious on the meeting only, you are not doing the things over right now, then how you will be getting out the things? Tell me. How many of you have joined through mobile phones?
Sir, currently I am touring. I am taking meeting in car. I'm going to Lucknow, not in my
So
home.
that
So,
so that's the point. No, if you wherever you are traveling or something, the things will not be stopping. Getting it? So it's just an installation. I'm
okay,
I'm sharing you the link over onto the chat. And as you are not in the system, so in that case, that is completely your thing. Like how you'll be doing it later.
okay.
Getting it? No. Yeah. Anyone over here was who have joined with your system, or everyone is on their mobile phones?
From the system,
No,
sir.
no, sir. I am joining my
System,
PC.
sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir. I'm
System,
also
sir.
using mobile.
Yes,
also
sir.
joined my system.
System, sir.
Phone, sir.
Laptop also.
System, sir.
Mobile phone, sir. Mobile phone. Yeah, done through, sir.
System, sir.
System, sir.
System, sir.
All right. So can anyone over here can share your screen? You can just raise your hand. Who can share? Okay. Rajveer Singh, can you please share? Rajveer Singh, can you share?
Let me check something.
Hello.
Screen sharing is off.
Then
Okay.
no.
Yeah, Rajveer. Now you can check.
Okay, let me check.
No,
It's
sir.
still not allowed. Sir, you need to give the access for
The
sharing.
access is already given. Just refresh it once and check.
Yes, now. Is my screen visible?
Yeah, you can share it first.
Okay. So what I need to share? I'm
Just
displaying my
go
screen.
on to your means on your, yeah, the here only. No issue. You haven't installed your Git yet.
No, I haven't installed.
Got it. Fine. Yeah, that's only we want. Okay, just create a new tab. Go on to that new tab. Everyone just see like how in a fresh system how to install the Git and configure that. Okay. Just write Git. Not just Git if you can write. That's fine. Go on to that first link. Git. Yeah. So here you can see you have wait. Uh, Rajveer, until I don't speak, just wait. Okay, I need to explain out to the
Okay.
people also. Okay. All right.
Okay.
So over here in this link, you can just see the link that is completely visible. Okay, here you have all the operating systems on which you can install. Okay, so as his system is on Mac, sorry, on Windows, so he'll be going on to the Windows. For the Mac OS, you can use the homebrew option, that is fine. And for the Linux, the pseudocodes are visible over there. You can just open the Linux ones. Yeah, the sudo command is mentioned over there. Okay, you can just use that and that will be installed. For the Mac OS, same thing. Go on to the Macs. Yeah, same. They're asking for the homebrew. Homebrew option is better. Okay. All right. So for the Windows, what you need to do? Go on to the Windows. Yeah. Just click onto that x64 setup. Okay. Git for Windows x64 setup.
It
Click on it.
started downloading.
Yeah, it is. It will start downloading. Let it download it completely.
Sir, which one?
It's completely visible over there in the screen. Just follow how he's doing. You can close your meeting screen. No, not that one. Side one. Yeah, can close that. No issue on that. Yeah, close it. Not that one.
I think.
Side one. Side one.
Okay.
Yeah, if you have downloaded, I'm asking you to close that meeting window that is on your left, right side. Right side meeting window, it is not visible. Yeah, that's only simple thing. Yeah, you
I
have downloaded.
thought that call will be disconnected.
Yeah, so go. Oh, yeah, just click on it. Click on it. Click on it. Side. Yeah, just not there. In middle, just click on it. Yeah, just minimize this screen.
Screen is minimized.
Your that
Minimize the Chrome tab.
yeah. Go ahead. Just press next. Follow these all steps, everyone. Okay, click on next. Click on next. Now check all the boxes over here. Yeah, next. Rest everything will be next only. Okay.
Okay. Which way I have to git
Next,
decide or
next,
login?
next. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Next.
अच्छो को यो पापा के बना दीजो
सारा सेक्शन पर
Should I stop sharing my screen or I have to share?
No. Perfect. So your Git, just check over there. It is installed or not? Not there. On your tab, it is opened over there. On your tab, do you know what is tab?
Yes, it is installed.
There, just
Task
click on
manager.
it on the task managing tab.
Under
Task
task
managing
bar.
tab.
On
It
your
is
bottom.
installed. It is. Guys, it is installed.
Beside
I'm
the
asking, just
proprietor.
click onto that task managing tab.
मतलब नीचे देखिए नीचे रूम के बाजू में.
Yeah. So it is installed. Just close these all things.
Okay.
Close the other Git that is. I'm not asked you to stop sharing. So yeah, close that Git. I'm asking that only. Yeah, fine. Now, do you have the GitHub account?
Yes, I do have, but currently I did not remember the password.
Create a
So,
new account. Go on to github.com. Just press enter. Just click onto that sign up button.
ये कोई भी मजाक आगे जात नहीं बात नहीं करेगा.
Just do it fast or create a new account.
okay. Okay. I'm creating the
So like,
account.
yeah, like this, everyone can create their account if you don't have. Okay. No issues on that. Yeah, done. Just go on to your profile. Click over there. Just click on to your profile. Yeah. So this is how your basic profile will be looking like. Okay. And the name that is mentioned over there, that is the username. Okay. That's the unique name from which you will be finding yourself over while you are adding, or you were added over to any of the repository as a contributor. Okay. So now I'll just quickly demonstrate that how you will be creating a new repository. That is the first process. Okay. So just click onto that repositories tab. Yeah. So here, this is your all repository folder where all of your repositories will be visible, whatever you create. Okay. So for creating your project, you will be creating a new repository. Just click onto that new button. So over here, you need to write the project's name over onto the first column. Just writing as demo or something. And over in the description, you need to mention if the product, if you are going to live this particular product over on any of the open source. So there you will be live link. Other than that, your team members, means, the username will be mentioned over there and a short description on the product that you are developing. Getting it? That should be the
Get it.
content of the description. Okay. Just go down there.
Okay.
It is mentioned as public. Okay. So you need to convert that into private. So while you are submitting your project, then you can change it to public and submit the link. Okay. Then we can access that. Whenever it is private, then whoever is visiting onto your profile, that particular project will not be visible to them. Got it? So that's why you
Okay.
first of all you need to create a private repository. Okay. That's all. Perfect. You can just give some description over there. Any
Like
demo
what?
description over there. Anything you can give just for a demo. Yeah, just create repository. Nothing. It is not required.
Okay. Okay. No problem.
Yeah. So this is the page. What's the onboarding page? Okay. Here, how a project is getting onboarded over onto the GitHub. So GitHub is basically a cloud hosting platform where you are hosting your codes only. Okay. It can be accessible from anywhere over to any system, wherever you log in onto your account. That's the use. And also it enables the collaboration. That's why this is a product that are used in wide industries. And also this is one of a very critical skill that you need to learn if you want to work on to IT on any of the field. Okay.
Okay.
This is
Got it.
also called as the version control system. Okay. That right now what you will be seeing over in the Git. Okay. So just scroll down here. There you can see there is an option that is create a new repository on command line. So you are not anyone, no one is supposed to use the GUI, graphical user interface of the GitHub. Okay. You need to only use the command line for doing all the tasks. Okay. I have shared two links. Okay. That I will be referring you in a bit. Okay. I'll be making you understand of it, how to get a pro on it. Okay. So here you can see all the Git commands are mentioned, like what you need to do. Okay. So now I'll make you understand like how to push a particular project over onto the GitHub. And after that, I'll be demonstrating you how to collaborate a person over in the GitHub. Okay. So minimize this Chrome screen, Rajveer. Minimize.
Yeah, I have
Minimize.
minimized.
This is minimize.
So I have minimized. Actually, I'm my laptop has
That
two
third,
windows. That's
yeah,
why.
third button. Just click onto that third button. Third one, third one.
Minus sign,
Not
minus
not
sign,
that.
minus
Minus
sign.
sign. Minus sign, brother. Okay. This is called as minimize. Okay. So now you can just create a folder over here in your main screen in your home page. Just create a folder. Very nice. And just right click onto that folder and show more options. There you can see open git bash here that is mentioned. Just click on it. Okay, so this is how you can open a particular folder onto the git bash. Okay, that's all. We'll be operating on it later. Okay, just close this one. Close this one. Yeah, you have the VS Code.
Yes.
Yeah, just right click onto that folder.
VS Code.
Onto that folder. Just
Okay.
right click onto that folder and just do the open with VS Code from show more options.
Actually, I have not option for that.
Okay, just open that particular folder on your VS Code. Okay. So now you are in the folder. So now just create one file as like home.html something over on the folder. That is not a right way. Just go on to that Zaalima that where you have mentioned. There you can see the shortcuts are there. Okay. Yeah, fine. And just press that exclamation mark. Yeah, fine. Got it. So for an example, this is your code base. Okay. So this you need to push it onto the GitHub. Okay. So what you will be doing, open the terminal now.
Yeah.
Yeah, VS Code's terminal. Yeah. Just, now move on to the Chrome screen and split the screen between two halves. Yeah. So now over in the just uh, give some space that Explorer window just means minimize it once so that the terminal will be visible. Yeah, fine.
Is it visible?
So there, yes, yes, it is completely visible. You can just start with git init. Okay. Exactly what is mentioned, git space init, just write it over there. So before that, wait.
Okay.
Go on to the third option that is on your left side. Okay, that circle that option is there, no? Below that search option. Below that search option, yeah, source control. Just click on it. Just click on it. Hello. Yeah, click on it to the source control. Hello.
I think he is lost with connection.
Okay. Rajveer, are you there? Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Rajveer, are you there? You are freezed. Okay. Anyone over here from the team who can do this thing?
Sir, should I?
Okay, Usman, you can share. Oh, yeah, he's back, I think.
Actually, I lost my connection.
Yeah. Okay, no problem. Fine. Just go on to that Git window and just click onto that source control button that I am asking.
Yes.
Yeah. Go on to that Git window. Git that is over in your Chrome.
Okay.
Yeah. So over here you can see there is no any repositories are being initialized. Okay. So now you will be
Yes.
initializing the repository. Okay. So over in the terminal, just write git init, what is visible over there on your right side of the screen.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, just press enter.
Should I press enter?
Yes. So now your folder has already tracked the git over in its folder and installed all the necessary things that the git is providing for the GitHub. Got it? So now you
Okay.
need to give the command as git add and space dot. Do not add that readme.md because it is not required. Okay. Just simply write git space add space dot. That's all. Press enter. It will be adding all of your files to the staging area. Okay. So you can see all the operations you can see over on your left side of your screen. That's how it is going to be done. Okay. So now just write that commit as git commit space
होत नाही ना
hyphen
आपल्याला
m
पैशाचं कामच नाही
space
ना आपल्याला दुसऱ्या अकाउंट मध्ये
and
टाकणार फक्त दुसऱ्या अकाउंट मध्ये टाकणार फक्त तर मग ट्रान्सफर होतात ना.
please do not turn on your mic if it is not required. Okay. Please look into it. All right. Yeah, that's only fine. You can just press enter. This is how you are committing. Like, yeah, exactly what you have done. Okay. You have done the things you are writing out over onto your commits, that is under the double inverted comma. Under that, you need to write like what exactly you are pushing out to this update. Okay. That's how it will be checked. Okay. Now you need to go exactly like that. Just write that git branch hyphen m main, or you can copy from your right side of the screen and paste it over there. That's fine.
It will copy
Not
everything
full
actually.
copy. Why you are copying the full thing? The command that you want, that you can copy. Control C and Control V is the copy and paste shortcut. Yeah.
Git branch. Should I press enter?
Just enter. So now you are telling the Git as like push it onto my main branch. Okay. By default, the GitHub gives main branch. Okay. Now you will be adding the main thing, that is the remote location. Here you will be asked for login. Okay. Just copy that thing, whole command, and paste it over there and press enter. Yeah. Press enter. Yeah. Now it will be asking for a login. Okay. Just give that last command. Git push u origin main. Yes. Yeah. Press enter.
It failed to push refs. It is showing some error.
Yeah. So you might be having some GitHub on your system. So just press that Windows button and go to credentials.
By
Write
using the command
credentials,
git config,
CRE.
hello.
Sorry. Yeah.
By using the
Just
git config
wait for
command, we
some time.
can log in. So
Yeah, wait for some time. Okay, just go on to that Windows button and write credentials.
Here.
Windows. What is Windows?
Here, no?
Windows. What is Windows button? Yeah, that's only.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, just write credentials simply. Just do fastly. Yeah, just go on to that credential manager. Yeah, go on to Windows credential. Windows credential.
I haven't set any Windows credential here actually.
Yeah, it is not being set. All right. So from here, you can see like if any GitHub is enabled onto your account or not. Okay. So first of all, you need to check this one. After that, what Shafi was explaining, that you can do it. Okay. Shafi, you can continue now.
Yeah, we can use a git config commands. On the terminal, we have two commands, right? Git config using username and using
Explain.
username.
Explain him. Explain him.
Okay, okay.
Explain these
Uh,
steps one by one.
can you show me the yes. Copy the first command. You have git config -hyphen global username user dot. Copy all the.
Everyone just watch out. Like if you are facing such type of problem, how to fix it.
Copy and paste it. On there, you can use your email.
Yeah, sure.
Just remove that u@example.com with your email ID that you are using for this GitHub.
Hit enter.
Okay.
Same as per the username. Copy the next command.
And just write your username. If you don't know, you can just
User
copy it from the profile. You can
click
copy it
on your
from the
logo. You
profile.
can
Click onto the logo.
not there. Not there. Click on the last
Right.
from the right corner. You have the profile icon, right? Yeah.
Just go onto your profile. Yeah, that
Copy.
is just copy that. This is your username, guys. Done.
Press upward arrow. Like git push origin menu.
Give the last command.
Hit enter.
Git origin man. This was the last command.
Yes. Yeah. Hit enter.
It is not getting logged in over in this.
Check your Windows credentials. There you can get the GitHub credentials. I think so.
Same process. Yeah.
There are no credentials like that.
Okay, can you generate credentials? Add the generic credentials, or else add Windows credentials. You can go to add a generic credential. Not that. Back,
Doesn't
go back.
Go back and add a generic credential.
Add generic credentials.
I have to provide Git address.
Copy the GitHub address. GitHub.com. Just GitHub.com. Not all the things. Just GitHub. Yeah. And you can use your username and password.
Username, I think it will be email address or this username.
No. Ravichandra is that. For the password, you need to go to the settings. Open the GitHub account.
Okay.
Just now you have created, so you might be knowing this password.
Open settings. Click on the profile icon.
Yes, I am on profile.
No. Go to the settings on profile. Click. So scroll down. Developer option. You can get the developer option. Scroll down. On last, you can get developer option.
Developer setting.
Yes, developer setting. Yes. Click on it. Personal access token. Click on personal access.
Click on.
Click personal access token.
Personal access token.
Yes.
On
File
tokens,
and
select
tokens.
classic.
Okay.
Generate a new token. Classic
Repos
token.
com.
New token.
Okay.
No. Yeah. You can give with the name and expiration also. Select anything. Give any name.
You can give your username, no
Select.
issue on that.
Okay. Did I have to give this password here?
No. You need to scroll down. Select all those repos. Select repos. Can you click all those repos, workflows? Yeah.
Everything.
Workflow, everything. And the password where I can expire only on for 30 days only. You can select no expiration also.
Is everything okay? Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Generate okay.
Okay.
Copy the token, paste it.
Okay.
Go to the VS Code. Add the new terminal. On PowerShell, you have having plus button, right? Press icon.
Okay.
Use the last command. Git push origin branch. Git push. Hit enter. Or something.
Yeah.
This-
Yeah, it will not be working in some cases. So what you can do is like you can create a new folder, okay, and first do the
Okay.
same process and just go with that repository and try to push it. Okay, it will be done. Okay, it
Okay.
will automatically
Okay.
ask for the login from the GitHub. Okay, as you have already installed that on your system, or if it doesn't work after that, so before that you need to do a restart on your system so that it will be activated. Okay, after that you can try it once. Okay, till then I'll
Okay.
just quickly explain you the other things. Okay, just go on to your GitHub
Okay.
once. No issues if it is not pushed also. Go on to your GitHub
Okay.
and uh, make it full screen. Yeah, good.
Someone is singing. Where
Yeah,
should I?
so yeah, go on to your repository. Go on to your repository that you have just created. Yeah, click onto the profile and click onto repository. Yeah, simple. Go on to that repository, just click onto that demo. Yeah, now you can see over in the first screen, in the top of the screen, you can see, just scroll up. Yeah, there you can see invite collaborator and everything is mentioned over there. Invite collaborator, that is there. So after when you are giving out all the codes over there, this particular option will not be visible. Then you need to access it over from the settings. So go on to click onto that settings. Settings over there, it is mentioned. Settings. Yeah. Yeah. There you can see the first option under the access, that is the collaborator. Okay. So click onto that collaborator. So here on by clicking onto that add people, you can add all of your team members over onto the onto your repository. Got it? No issue. If you click
Got
onto
it.
that add people, just click on it. Write
Username, phone
anything
number, email.
over there. Yeah, anything you can write it over there. It will find it. Okay. You can write anything. Yeah. So you can see like multiple users have came. So accordingly, ask your team member usernames and just put it over there and just click on to add to repository. So here two things will happen. Like first of all, when you click onto that add to repository, invitation notification will be going on to your partners account or onto your collaborators. Okay, they need to accept it. How they will be doing? Just close this thing. Just add people to demo. Close this thing fast. Yeah, just scroll up. Scroll up. I am asking you to close. Scroll up. Do not. I'm asking you to be on to the GitHub screen only. We are
Actually, I
learning
was
GitHub
already
only.
there. You said. Okay.
Yeah. So over there, click onto that search bar of the GitHub. Yeah. Yeah. Click over there onto the search bar. Yeah.
Okay.
So delete everything over from here. Yeah. So just write any of the project's name. Let's say just write e-commerce. Click enter. Just click onto that second link. So this is how someone, if someone is sending you the request for to access. So before you go with them, look, like this particular repository is not being owned by you. Okay, this is
Yes.
of your team leaders. Okay, let's suppose only. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is fork. Over there you can see a fork option is there. Fork you need to do after accepting the request. Okay, just click onto that fork. Fork does what? Like it will just replicate a copy of this particular repository on your repository. Got it? That's the work. Just click onto that fork and fork it. So over here, if you want to push your code, this will not be working. On the forked repository, it will work. So just simply click on create fork. Yeah, that's all. It will take some time. It will be creating a copy repository on your repository. If you go on to your repository, just go on to your repository once. You can see that particular the repository has been added for you. Okay, so here you can make your changes. So just click onto that e-commerce. Now, how to download this thing? So for that, just click onto that code button. Code, yeah. Just copy that particular URL. Got it? Go on to your home screen. Home screen.
Yeah, Git bash is okay. Okay.
Home screen.
Sorry, what?
Home screen. Windows home screen. Just minimize this thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, just right click. So more options. Git bash here. Yeah. Just write git git space clone clone. Let's see if it is working or not. Space. Right click. Right click and paste. Your cursor is over on wrong place. Just click once only. That's fine. Yeah. Just right click and paste. Yeah.
After that, it is move on to next.
Okay. Just copy it again from your from Chrome. Just copy that particular link again and paste it over there as by clicking onto that right click button.
Control V will not work here.
No, I'm asking. That's why only I can tell you, no, like if Control V is working or not. The paste option is also not working.
No.
Just close this thing and retry it again. Yeah, close. Minimize this screen. Copy that link. Copy that link.
Oh, it is
Yeah,
trying to clean.
yeah. Just do it
Yes,
again
it's
fast. Why are you opening Git GUI?
No, no, Git bash. I have
I'm
opened
asking you
Git.
to open Git bash only. Yeah,
Yes, Git bash.
yeah. Just write Git space clone CLONE space right click and paste. Yeah, it will not be working. Just press enter. If it downloads, then okay. If not, then you have to retry. When it will be downloaded, as yeah,
What is
it is not supported. So you need to retry it once. Okay, so that you can do it. We don't have much time. Okay, it will be
okay?
downloaded like this. Else, if it doesn't get downloaded like this, you have other options as download zip and that all things. Okay. So after
Okay.
downloading the zip, then you need to unzip it and try with one GitHub command as it is activated or not. Most probably it will be activated. Okay. So after installing everyone, you just need to restart once and after that it will work. Okay. And just open that meeting link. I have shared you two documents in the chat. Yeah. So the first one is the whole training docs for the GitHub. Okay. From beginner to advanced, everything is over there. And the second one is the cheat sheet. Just open that cheat sheet once. Yeah. So over here, you can see the date on the day to day you will be doing what you will be doing git add and git post and git pull, that only you will be doing. So each and every commands that you might be using or you will be using, that is mentioned over here. Okay, and with its use case, so whatever you need to use
Sir,
it from
link is
here,
not
all the
showing.
commands. Yes, what?
Sir, link is not showing in chat box.
Okay, I'll send it again.
Is my screen visible?
Sir, share it on group, sir.
Yes, sir. It has been came. Thank you,
I've
sir.
shared it again over in the chat box. You can check it once. Okay. And if you go on to the first link, just click onto that first link. You have again clicked onto the second link only. I'm asking you to click on first link. Yeah. So this is the whole thing, like what exactly you need to do if you want to master Git. Okay. So as soon as you start with your Git, as this is the mandatory part that you need to do. Okay. As without this, your project will not be getting evaluated. Okay.
Before we finish this, I have one doubt. Could I ask that in end of the class?
Yes, what? Tell me.
I have one doubt regarding projects. Could I ask that in the end of the class?
It's already the end only. We are ending up the session.
Okay, okay. So I was to asking, since we are giving training by IntelliQ, and we have also in Zaalima has also shared some two projects document to us also. So my question is, there are two types of projects. by Zaalima, we have to do 2 projects, and from IntelliQ also there are projects. So how the
No,
synchronization will happen with this?
no. From IntelliQ, there is no any projects will be provided.
Sorry, I didn't get it.
From IntelliQ, no any projects will be provided. Projects will only be provided from your company only.
Actually, we have shared document is shared like
You can
week
show me
1,
that
week 2
document.
for it. Yeah, sure.
Just do it
Let me
fast.
go to
Sir, that is
Sir,
not
we
a
can follow the this
task.
steps.
that was I don't know where it has gone. Right. Okay, let me don't know. It was here only. Zaalima development or here.
At least it is expected like you need to see and download those things.
Actually, I've downloaded it. Right now. I'm just moving on it. But where was it? Let me check if it is available in download section. That's not. Actually, I'm not getting proper place. Where was it was shared?
Yeah, so first of all, just structure out all the things, okay, what you are getting from the company. There you will be getting out the training guidelines, okay, and the projects will be from our side only, okay, there is no double projects.
Okay,
And the
so from
project
when we have
over
to
there,
start this
each month,
project?
Sir,
from your
on which
week
day
one,
we
it is
have to shoot
expected
the
for you
project?
to start.
Sir,
But right
So
now,
whenever
training
there will be the
is
review,
going on also,
you,
like in React only.
yes,
Sir, on
Right
which day we
now,
have to shoot
we
the
are
project?
going to train with React only, and the for project completion, it is expected from us to have knowledge of MongoDB, Express.js, and all that.
so that is completely your subjectual query. You can just head this query over to your trainings team, okay.
Okay.
sir.
Hello, sir. Actually,
Yes, sir.
hello,
All right.
hello.
We are already out of time, so you can unshare. Thank you so much, guys.